Here's our situation. We're at 95 northbound at the airport shopping center. Off to the side of the road, so it's a little easier for us. Brand new 2000. That's a big old wheel, ain't it? Is it low?
It's low.
Wow. This is a brand new truck and their spares low. £30 low? Yeah. So it was 30 pounds low. Going up. £30 low on the tire. That looks pretty good. Your spare was 30 pounds low. We're airing it up now for you. It's dirty as all get out here. I don't want to get another flat tire coming out. Good job. Coming down. Pull down. There. Chalk's out. Chalk. Customer's ready to go. All right, you're good to go, sir. You got a full-size tire, so you can go regular speed. You don't have a load donut.
Okay, the spares in the back, right?
Yes, sir. We're putting it in the back for you. Right now, I believe Big Chief Tire has the cheapest around here. Okay. If you're just looking to get out, there's 4 or 5 right down there If you go to the discount tire, let them know HESSCO sent you. They'll get you a discount.
Let's go.
Yep, HESSCO.
Thank
Drive
you.
careful, my friend. Klein is mobile.